What's good, y'all? I'm Motor Chart Guy here, founder of Unbroken Mindset, man. I just wanted to drop this little video on you guys, man. Just wanted to show you, right now there's some opportunities looming, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. So the House passed, and let me show you the article. The House passed the Marijuana Opportunity Reinvestment and Expungement Act, right? So it passed 220 votes to 204 noes, right? So some of the things that I really like about this is, one, it'll help, the culture, because, we suffered the most when it came to unfair criminalization on the war on drugs, right? So you have a lot of people doing too much time for marijuana. So with that being said, man, the first thing it says here is that in addition to decriminalizing marijuana at the federal level, the bill will establish procedures for expunging previous convictions from people's records and impose a tax on the sale of cannabis products. So there's two things that I get from this. One, they're going to try to make it legal federally, right? But it still has to pass the Senate before that can happen. So they're going to try to make it legally federally, which will make it recreational, and you won't have to worry about, getting tickets and going to jail over, marijuana. So the second thing that I like is, like I said earlier, people that were, are doing too much time for marijuana, they have that opportunity to get their record expunged. And the third thing that I like about it is the sale of cannabis, they're going to add a tax on it. So I definitely like the tax because that can help with the national debt, and that can help with, some of the stuff that needs to be done in America, right? Because we already know of the 18 states that has it legal and ready for medicinal use, they're making a lot of money. And then one more thing that I like is, a lot of people don't know that you have to have a clean record in order to invest in either production of marijuana or a dispensary. So if you have a felony or anything on your record or a past drug charge, you are not eligible to even participate in having a grow house or a dispensary or anything like that. So this House bill will give people opportunity who have records and are entrepreneurs to even move into this industry and try to help, because like some of this stuff that they have is just ridiculous, man. You can have a license, but in order to have a production license, you have to be liquid $5-10 million, right? And a lot of people don't have that. So this is going to give an advantage to some small businesses, as you can see right here. It would also provide loans to help small businesses in the cannabis industry. So I definitely like that. I definitely like that. I think it's dope. This is one of the bills that I think will help the culture, you know what I mean? Because like I said, I feel we suffered the most of it from unfair criminalization. So I did want to bring this to the forefront for people who don't know. It did pass the House. Now we have to get it past the Senate. So speaking of marijuana, I do think that there are some investment opportunities when it comes to marijuana. And the first one I want to show you guys here is Green Thumb Industries. It resides in the MSOS ETF, and I'm going to show you this ETF because you don't have to per se invest in the single business. You can invest in the ETF. I would suggest you do your own due diligence just to make sure this is something that you're comfortable investing in. Don't just take my advice for it. This is just for educational purposes. So this is an ETF right here, MSOS, and it holds some of the top holdings when it comes to marijuana. You got Green Thumb Industries, Trueville Cannabis Corp, just to name two of them, right? So I like the Green Thumb Industries because it's an American-based company, and I'm going to take you here to the website. So this is the website for Green Thumb. And one of the things you want to do before investing in, say, a company or, trying to buy shares of it, is you want to see what the CEO does. So you look up his CEO, see who he's connected with, see what he's done. Then you also want to get in there and you want to look at their stock information. You want to look at what kind of events that they've done, who they're participating with, who are they partnered with. And then the most important part is you want to look at financial information. You want to see, are they earning money? You want to see, are they losing money? You want to see, do they have potential to be money? Because a lot of these marijuana companies, even though they have potential to gain, they have not made money just yet. So one of these things you want to pay attention to is this, right? So you want to definitely look at this. So that's green thumb. So another one that I like is called MJ. It's another ETF that I think you guys should look at. It holds a lot of it holds some production of marijuana companies too, but majority of these are based in Canada. And one that I want to show you guys is one Tilray, which a lot of people are familiar with that, but Canopy Growth. And if you was an Unbroken Mindset about 2 weeks ago, maybe last week, we caught 300% on this canopy growth. And you want to do the same thing that I just showed you guys with the green thumb. You want to go to their website. You want to look up their CEO. You want to get in their financials. You want to see, are they actually making money yet, or are they still in debt? So this is one of the things that you want to do, because you don't want to just blindly invest in something just because you see a bill about to get passed. So with that being said, this is one of the things that I wanted to show you guys, man. I definitely think it's a big deal because we've been waiting for this for so long, and this will help a lot of people that uh, had unfair or unjust criminalization due to marijuana because of this House bill. So it passed the House. We still needed to pass the Senate. And I also just showed you guys an ETF or 2 ETFs that you can look at, and you can go through each of those companies in there and research them and see if you'd like to invest in either one of those. So with that being said, man, a motor chart guy, you deserve nothing, but you earn everything. Put in the work and you'll get something out of it. I'm out.